Hello students, welcome back in the online teaching of St. Thomas School, MOA, subject English, Standard 8, Unit 5, The Tiger's Claw. In a previous session, we saw that tiger and Ryder both came face to face. The tiger was about to attack on Ryder and Ryder was trying to save with the help of stool, with the help of table, with the help of chair and trying to escape from that. But afterwards he understood that now his death is near and the tiger was sitting on the table on its haunches and waiting for Ryder when the Ryder will come out. Now we will see next point how the chair, table and stool had formed a solid block with me at their heart and they could withstand all his tricks. Now he was very much appreciating to this all materials. He was appreciating chair, table and stool. They are performing a solid block, solid like a fence, like a rock. They were working with me at their heart and they could withstand all his tricks. He was using all his tricks with the help of stool, table, chair and trying to protect himself. He scrutinized my arrangement with great interest, espied a gap, and thrust his paw in. The tiger was also beside, scrutinized. Scrutinized means examining very carefully. My all work was examining, he was watching. All arrangement he was seeing with great interest. Very interestingly, he was observing and watching. Espied a gap. Espied means suddenly saw something in a far distance. He was seeing from far distance, looking at me. Thrashed his paw in, and he was pushing very forcefully his paw towards me so he could catch me, but he was not able to do. It dangled in my eyes with the curved claws opening out towards me. It dangled. It dangled means he was hanging closely. His paw were hanging very closely towards me near to the table, near to my eyes. With the curved claws, I was seeing the claws opening out towards me. It was near to me, on me. I felt very angry at the sight of it, and when I saw, I also got very angry on tiger, and I was also feeling irritation. Why should I allow the offensive to be developed all in his own way? Then I was thinking, why should I allow this creature to come near to me? An offensive, that means making me harm, coming to me and harm, and develop all in his own way, and he is increasing his guilt, he is increasing power now, time by time. Why should I allow him? So I felt very indignant. I was feeling very indignant. Indignant means very angry. The long knife from the station master's table was lying nearby. Then I saw there was a knife hanging near to the station master's table. There was one knife was there. It was lying down. I picked it up. I took it and draw it in. And then I took it. And then afterwards I draw it in. I drive it in. He withdrew his paw maddened by pain, and then afterwards when I just draw it in, that means I tried to smash knife at him, so he was having little bit fear, so he withdrew his paw maddened by pain, and he was feeling some pain, so he kept his paw back. He jumped up and nearly brought down the room and then tried to crack to bits the entire stockade. Then afterwards he jumped up. He was jumping and nearly brought down the room. He went near to the room and then tried to crack to beads, and he was trying to cracking the beads, the entire stockade, the entire the fence which I made, like tool, stool, table. I put this everything. He was trying to scratching. He was trying to cracking, trying to break it, like that he was doing. He did not succeed, but he was not able to break it, crack it. He was not successful. He once again thrust his paw in. Again, continuously, perpetually, he was trying to bring his paw inside the stool, inside the table. I employed the knife to good purpose. Then afterwards I used my knife for good thing, for protection of me, and cut off a disease with the claw on it. And then afterwards one of the claw of the tiger's paw, I cut it. Disease with the claw on it, I cut. It was a fight to the finish between him and me. Now the fight, it was about to over because I also became angry on him. He returned again and again to the charge. Again and again he was coming and attacking. Charge means attacking on me. And I cut out, let me confess, 3 claws. And then again and again he was attacking me. Then let me confess. That means let me accept. Let me say the truth. That 3 claws. 3 claws I cut. I had to do it because continuously he was trying to bring his paw near to me under the table. So I had to cut the claws. I had to cut the nail of the tiger, the claws of the tiger. I had come as bloodthirsty as he. I was also becoming like bloodthirsty. I was also becoming violent. I was also becoming anger like how the tiger was. I was also behaving like that. Those claws mounted on gold. Now below the picture you can see those claws. You can see on the picture some claws are there. Mounted on gold. Mountain means climbing. But here which are arranged here, which are fixed here, are hanging around the necks of my daughters. This is a necklace of my daughter, and in the necklace where you find some of the claws, these claws of tiger's claws, 3 claws of tiger you can see that is of tigers, which I cut and I fixed here. You can come and see them if you like sometime. You can also come at my home and you can see what I have done and how I have brought this. You can come and you can be witness that whatever I am saying, that is true. So this story is said by author. It is one way it is looking very funny story because nobody will believe, because who will be there in the world who will go near to the tiger, and then one after another cutting of the claw, and after cutting the claw fixing in the daughter's necklace. It was really unbelievable thing. Okay, it was unbelievable thing, but since writer is telling us, so partially we believe, but actually this cannot be true story. Okay, so we have to learn it, we have to understand it. Okay, which is also one of the most important for our unit test. Okay, so here we are at the end of this chapter explanation we have completed. Okay, in a next session we will discuss remaining exercise, remaining activities. Okay, so thank you very much. Goodbye.